Nice. Hikari, here's the ball. Woo! There you go. Get the ball, Hikari. Get the ball. Your bottom all the way up. Very good. I love your bottom. It's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that wiggly bum. One foot up. Whoa. There you go. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Go get the ball. There you go. Move your knees. There's another ball. Sorry, I distracted you. Doo. Woo. Oh, it went toward you. You got your ball. There you go. Tummy time? Yeah, take some rest. Oh, it moved away. There you go. There you go. All right. All right, you're getting used to that. Yeah, you put your bottom up and use your knees. Oh, you found something yummy. You found something yum. It's so motivating. Oh, I love how you move your bottom. It's so cute looking from behind. Oh, this is so cute. There you go. Tummy time. Tummy time. What did you find? What did you find? Wow. You're so strong. You've got a lot of energy. Oh, where did you get that energy from? Oh, the milk. I see. Turning around. You're learning a lot of things every single day. Every moment. Oopsie. Oh, plastic bag. That's a little dangerous. And I love that. I love this leg. It's so cute. All right. Okay. I've got it.